Hello students, welcome to today's class. Today we are going to solve the remaining questions of exercise 13.5 from the chapter 13 surface areas and volumes, class 9th maths and CRT. So students, here to start with question number 7. A go down measures 40 meter into 25 meter into 10 meter. Find the maximum number of crates wooden crates, each measuring 1.0 meter into 1.25 meter into 0.5 meter that can be stored in the go down. Now, dimensions of go down is equal to 40 meter into 25 meter into 10 meter. Students, first of all, you just make sure whatever is given in the question you have to write first the information which you get from the questions. तो गो डाउन की मेजरमेंट दी हुई है 40 मीटर इंटू 25 मीटर इंटू 10 मीटर, पहले हमने वो लिख ली और हमने वॉल्यूम ऑफ गो डाउन निकाल लिया. ओके, तो वॉल्यूम ऑफ गो डाउन इज इक्वल टू 40 इंटू 25 इंटू 10 meter cube, which is equal to 10,000 meter cube. Okay, now dimensions of wooden crate is equal to 1 meter into 1.25 meter into 0.5 meter. The volume of wooden crate is equal to 1 into 1.25 into 0.5 meter cube, which is equal to 0.625 meter cube. The number of wooden crates that can be stored in the go down is equal to volume of go down upon volume of wooden crate. That will be equal to 1000 divided by 0.625. 25 is the 625, 40, 25, 40. So 40 into 40, which is equal to 1600 crates. This is the answer. Now coming to question number 8. A solid cube of side 12 centimeter is cut into 8 cubes of equal volume. What will be the side of the new cube? Also find the ratio between their surface areas. Okay, now volume of bigger cube is equal to edge cube, which is equal to 12 cube, which is equal to 1728 centimeter cube. Now volume of small cube is equal to 1728, because 8 small cubes were there, so we will divide it by 8. इस वॉल्यूम ऑफ बिग क्यूब निकाली हमने और इस बिग क्यूब से ही 8 स्मॉल क्यूब्स बने, तो वॉल्यूम ऑफ 1 स्मॉल क्यूब विल बी इक्वल टू दिस डिवाइडेड बाय 8, which is equal to 216 centimeter cube. Let A be the side of 1 cube. Volume of cube is equal to A cube, that is edge cube, side cube. Okay, here we have assumed कि A जो है वो छोटे क्यूब की साइड है, तो वॉल्यूम ऑफ क्यूब इज 216 is equal to A cube. A is equal to cube root of 216, which is equal to 6 centimeter. Now surface area of small cube is equal to 6A square, which is equal to 6 into 6 square, which is equal to 216 centimeter square. Surface area of big cube is equal to 6A square, which is equal to 6 into 12 square, which is equal to 864 centimeter square. The ratio of the two, (864 upon 216), which is equal to 4 upon 1. This implies 4 is to 1. This is the answer. You can do the cancellations. Now question number 9. A river 3 meter deep and 40 meter wide is flowing at the rate of 2 kilometers per hour. How much water will fall into the sea in a minute? Okay, so what is given? First of all, we will write that depth of the river is given 3 meter. Depth of the river को हम height पे लेंगे. Okay, and breadth of the river is given 40 meter. Rate at which it is flowing, that is 2 kilometers per hour. Now 2 kilometers per hour means First of all, we'll change kilometer into meters as these are given in meters. पहले हम ये देखेंगे, हम यूनिट सबकी सेम कर लें. तो 1 किलोमीटर इज इक्वल टू 1000 मीटर. तो 2 किलोमीटर इज इक्वल टू 2000 meter. Same way as it is asked in the question in 1 minute, so we will convert this hour into minutes. 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. Okay, so in 60 minutes the water flow is equal to 2000 meter. So in 1 minute the water flow will be equal to 2000 upon 60. 100 upon 3 meter. This is the length. Length is equal to 100 upon 3 meter. The distance travelled in 1 minute is 100 upon 3 meter. So this will be the length of the river. Volume of water will be equal to length into breadth into height, which is equal to length is 100 upon 3 into breadth is 40 into height is 3. That is 4000 meter cube. This is the answer. Okay students, now here comes the end of the exercise 13.5. Soon we will meet with the next exercise. Till then, keep watching, keep learning. God bless you all. Thank you. Have a nice day.